Create a unique half updo using the Good Hair Days curved back hair comb. Comb one side of your hair to the center back and hold flat with your hand. Then comb the other side of your hair to the back, combing it up and over the other section of hair. Use the comb to secure the two sections from the side. Gently incorporate and brush the remainder of your hair down and together. Try out this different style of half updo using an extra large hair comb from Good Hair Days. Subscribe to the YouTube channel for real-time, step-by-step instructional hair tutorials using this product and many more. Available and proudly made in the USA by Good Hair Days, a woman-owned, family-operated hair accessories manufacturer since 1996.